Today, we are going to explore some of the very common treatments for dry cough. But before that, let us understand what a dry cough is. A cough is nothing but a reflex action that clears your airway of irritants and mucus. There are two types of cough, productive and non-productive. A productive cough produces phlegm or mucus, clearing it from the lungs, whereas a non-productive cough doesn't produce phlegm or mucus. This non-productive cough is commonly known as dry cough. Let's talk about 7 treatment for dry cough. Number 1. Honey. Honey has antibacterial and wound healing properties. It can also help to coat the throat, which reduces the irritation, pain, and inflammation. So it is very useful for both daytime and nighttime coughing. You can try taking honey by the teaspoon several times a day, or add it to tea or warm water to drink. But here, you should remember one thing. Never give honey to a child under 1 year old, as honey can cause a rare complication called infant botulism or floppy baby syndrome due to ingestion of bacterial toxin which can be present in honey. Honey is harmless to other kids and adults. Number 2. Warm salt water. Gargling with warm salt water is one of the simplest and most effective home remedies. The salt helps to pull out the mucus from your swollen and inflamed tissue. Saltwater gargling helps to relieve discomfort and scratchy throat. Add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt to lukewarm water and do the saltwater gargling several times each day. Number 3. Humidifier. Turn on the cool mist humidifier to increase the moisture in your room. And if you don't have a humidifier, you can still get relief by taking a hot shower. Steam from a warm shower loosens the mucus and can moisturize and soothe your sore throat. You can also take steam from hot water in any container. Number 4. Ginger. Ginger can suppress the cough reflex by relaxing the smooth muscles of the airways. It also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which relieve pain and discomfort. Studies have reported that gingerol, a chemical compound in fresh ginger, is able to suppress airway inflammation that can trigger symptoms of asthma, including cough. Ginger can be found in many teas as an ingredient. You can also make ginger tea from ginger root by steeping the peel or cut root in warm water. Adding honey may make it even more beneficial for dry cough. However, you should remember that consuming too much ginger may cause stomach upset, heartburn, or diarrhea. Number 5. Thyme. Thyme contains a compound called thymol that is believed to have antispasmodic effects. It can help relax the smooth muscles of the throat. Thyme is safe for occasional use only. You can make thyme tea by infusing 3 to 4 teaspoons of the dried herb in 250 milliliters of boiling water. You can add honey for an added cough-relieving benefit. Number 6. Peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, which helps to numb nerve endings in the throat that become irritated by coughing. This may provide pain relief and reduce the urge to cough. Peppermint also helps to reduce congestion. You can take peppermint lozenges or peppermint tea. If you are dealing with nighttime cough, then drinking peppermint tea right before bedtime would be very helpful. Number 7. Cough medications. Cough medications work by reducing the cough reflex, lessening the desire to cough, making them especially beneficial for dry cough. Some additives contain codeine and are available by prescription only. Other over-the-counter medications typically contain active ingredients such as dextromethorphan, camphor, or menthol. Dextromethorphan is a cough suppressant. It affects the signals in the brain that trigger cough reflex. If you liked it, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.